creating budget on the Microsoft Excel is not so straightforward. This video will tell you how to do it easily. First, you need to go to the templates of the budgets on the Microsoft official store. Here you can see this on the screen. Here you can see the different budget templates. For example, holiday shopping budget. This is another template. Here you can see different holidays, allocation, purchase, and different expenses. Now you can click on customize in Excel button to open it on Excel, and here you can adjust it according to your needs. First you need to log in. Remember, for example, there are other templates too, like I want to show you how to do that. Here you can see personal budget template. These all templates are free and customizable in Excel, so yep, you can adjust it, tweak it, or fine tune it in your own. Like other templates you can see here is simple monthly budget, like simple monthly budget template. There are other templates too, like you can see personal budget, personal monthly budget, simple monthly budget, and different graphs and cues to see how your budget will look like for January month budget, family budget, college budget. So these are some templates that will help you to create budget from Excel without worrying so much. Even you can create from scratch too, and I'll see you in the next one.